In less than an hour, LA County's indoor mask mandate takes effect. The requirement comes amid a resurgence of infections, but has drawn outrage and fiery criticism. 1,827 cases were reported today, along with 11 more deaths. Hospitalizations also jumped to 507 from 462 on Friday. Today's test positivity rate was 3.7%. On July 4th, it was near 1.5%, and a little over a month ago, it was near 0.5%. Well, at 11:59 tonight, LA County's indoor mask mandate goes into effect. That means you're required to mask up in any public indoor establishment in the county. But there's one city in LA County that won't be following the new mandate. That's Pasadena. Coco McAvoy joins us now live from that city to explain why and what happens next. Coco.
Yes, good evening, Susan. Pasadena has its own health department, as does the city of Long Beach. Long Beach will be aligning with LA County's mask mandate, but Pasadena is not. Health officials here recommend people wear masks indoors regardless of vaccination status, but they're not mandating it. At 11:59 p.m. Saturday, the indoor mask mandate in LA County is back in effect, requiring people to mask up indoors, no matter their vaccination status. And there are a lot of strong opinions, with some against the new mandate.
I'm tired of this pandemic. There's no I'm not wearing any masks. I'll put on a monster mask before I put on a mask.
If you want to mask up, go ahead and mask up. That's your choice. But to mandate that people mask up is wrong.
Others are for it.
Duly necessary. I think just to stem down the spread, to circumvent it, I think it's very, very necessary in order to nip this virus in the butt.
Even the kids are chiming in.
If you're vaccinated, I guess it could be kind of stressful, but if you're not, I get it, but I don't know.
The mandate comes after a rise in COVID infections in LA County.
Essentially, the way I feel is that people who aren't vaccinated, who choose not to be vaccinated, they're the ones ruining this for us.
Data shows 61% of LA County residents are fully vaccinated, leaving around 40% unvaccinated. And health officials say nearly all of LA County's new cases are unvaccinated patients.
I think it's obviously incredibly disappointing and frustrating that we're having to take this huge step backwards. Especially since we now have 3 very effective vaccines that are available.
Dr. Thomas Yadigar says the Delta variant is believed to be responsible for the majority of new infections.
We're seeing 30, 40-year-olds that are healthy and thought that they were invincible, and unfortunately this virus, the Delta virus, as well as the Lambda virus that may be coming, are much more transmissible.
Every city in LA County will enact the indoor mask mandate, except for Pasadena. Its health department decided to recommend masks indoors, but not mandate it.
I do like Pasadena, so it's kind of nice that you don't have to wear the mask as long as you're safe.
Health officials in LA County hope the indoor mask mandate will curb its steady rise in COVID-19 cases and believe the time to act is now.
And what we've learned is that, the numbers are usually 2 weeks behind. So if you wait for hospitalizations to get worse and get overcrowded, then it's too late.
Riverside and Orange counties also have an increase in COVID infections, but will not be enacting a mask mandate at this time. Neither will Ventura County. Reporting live this evening, I'm Coco McAvoy, Fox 11 News.